Welcome to my channel. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, wait, where did my money go? Yeah, do not worry, we have all been there. Here is the truth: most young adults in America are taught how to solve quadratic equations, but never how to budget, save, or invest. Crazy, right? In today's video, we are breaking down financial planning for young adults, the stuff schools never taught you, but your future self will thank you for. And trust me, if you stick around, not only will you learn how to manage your money, but you will see how to turn it into a tool that works for you, instead of it always controlling you. And spoiler alert at the end, I will share a sneak peek into our next video: the best online business ideas you can start to grow your income even faster. But first, let's get your money game sorted. Point 1. Mastering the budget. First things first, the budget. I know, the word budget sounds about as fun as eating plain broccoli. But think of it like this: a budget is not about restricting you. It is about giving your money a job. Every dollar you earn should have a purpose. The easiest method? The 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to needs: rent, groceries, bills. 30% to wants: Netflix, Starbucks, that impulsive Amazon cart purchase. 20% to savings and debt repayment. When you actually see where your money's going, you will realize you do not have no money. You just need to manage it smarter. And yes, that daily $7 iced latte is part of the problem. Point 2. Building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Flat tires, medical bills, sudden job loss, stuff happens. Without an emergency fund, these surprises turn into financial nightmares. The goal? At least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. That way, if life throws you a curveball, you do not end up maxing out your credit card at 25% interest. Think of an emergency fund like a safety net at the circus. Without it, every slip feels terrifying. With it, you can take bigger risks in life, like moving to a new city, starting a side hustle, or saying goodbye to that toxic job without constant financial anxiety. Point 3. Killing high-interest debt. Let's talk about debt, specifically credit card debt. If budgeting is broccoli, credit card debt is the deep-fried Twinkie that is slowly clogging your financial arteries. The average American credit card interest rate is over 20%. That means if you owe $1,000 and only pay the minimum, you could be paying for that pizza you bought in 2022 until 2030. Here is the game plan. List out your debts. Attack the high-interest ones first. Pay minimums on the rest until the monster is gone. Every dollar you are not throwing into interest payments is a dollar that can go toward your future wealth. And trust me, future you will want to present you for this. Point 4. Investing early. Okay, here's where things get exciting. Most young adults do not realize that time is their greatest superpower when it comes to investing. Example: if you invest just $200 a month starting at age 20, by 60 you could have over $1 million thanks to compound interest. But if you wait until 30, you will only have about half that. The lesson? Do not wait until you are rich to invest. Start small, whether it is a Roth IRA, a 401k, or even simple index funds. Think of it like planting trees. The earlier you start, the bigger the forest you will have later. So, while your friends are flexing the latest iPhone, you will be flexing financial freedom. Point 5. Long-term financial vision. Finally, let's zoom out. Financial planning is not just about saving money. It is about designing a life you actually want. Ask yourself, do you want to travel more? Own a home? Retire early? Start your own business? Your financial plan should align with those goals. Create milestones. Maybe saving $10,000 by 25, investing consistently by 30, or buying your first rental property by 35. When your money goals connect to your life goals, every sacrifice feels worth it. Because let's be real, saying no to a $200 impulse purchase today is way easier when you know it is helping fund your future dream life. So here's the big picture. Financial planning for young adults boils down to 5 key moves. Master your budget. Build that emergency fund. Destroy high-interest debt. Invest early and consistently. Create a long-term vision for your money. None of these steps alone will make you a millionaire overnight. But together, they create a roadmap to financial freedom. And the earlier you start, the easier it gets. Imagine this: 5 years from now, you are not stressing about bills. You are not scared of unexpected expenses. You are not chained to debt. Instead, you are building wealth, funding dreams, and actually feeling in control of your life. That is the power of financial planning. If this video gave you clarity and motivation, Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to level up your money game even further. Because in the next video, we are diving into something that could supercharge your financial plan. The best online business ideas you can start today. Extra income plus smart financial planning. That is how you win. Thanks for watching, and remember, every dollar you control today is a step toward the life you have always wanted. See you in the next one.